What's up, guys? My name's Brody, and today we're going to be fishing at my dock. So right now we're just walking there, and we're going to be using some shrimp. So yeah, hopefully we could catch some mangrove snapper, catfish, pufferfish, stuff like that. So I'll meet you guys to our spot. It's really flat and high tide, which is hopefully a good sign. Got a lot of plants in the water, so hopefully we can catch something good. All right, we're one dock over. Let's see how we do. All right, it's in the water. Let's go. Oh, I had it. We had bites.
Holy moly!
Hold up. Oh yeah. First fish of the day. Look at that. That is a big fish. That's almost eating size. Mangrove snapper. Let's go. See you later, fishy. Be free! Sadly, the video of me catching a pufferfish was deleted somehow. So here's the clip of me just throwing him back into the water. Be free!